brings me into our tip of the week, which today is creating a bullnose stair. So in this case, just in the stair that we have created, I can take this bottom tread, for example, and I could bring this around to create that bullnose um, tread below at the bottom of the stair. The way you're going to do that is by selecting that stair and clicking to edit to enter into the edit mode, as I just mentioned. When you enter in the editing mode, then you can begin to edit that bullnose stair. So you can take the edge of that stair and you can begin to curve it using a curve option as you typically would with anything else. And then you can, so here's kind of steps. So I'm going to select that first step here, right? And then I can actually take that first step and I can add another node to it. And so when I do that, I'm adding another node and I'm kind of moving this edge around here, right? So now what I want to do is I've already created this curve here. Now I want to do another curve that's going to bring it out even further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that node in here, and then I'm going to add the offset, which is going to allow me to offset and pull this out. Once I do that, I can then also curve it. So now I can curve this edge here. And now I've got a curved edge that's coming all the way out, and it's going to look something like this. Now with the stair above, I could also take this one and I could bring this one out further to this point if I wanted to. And so now what you've got is, as you walk down the stairs, you've got this curved option that's coming out right here. You've got this one that's been edited to this point. You've curved this one to that point. And then I can even take this and go further if I want to pull this out and create more. I can actually twist this, if you will, to add this additional curved edge to it. And then I'm going to continue to edit and repeat that second step above. And that's going to give me the ability to start to curve this out and continue to edit this around.